Kardashian West is a queen. Thank God for her. She brought curves back into style. It's in fashion, otherwise I'd probably be extremely insecure.
Not that I'm not.
I think we all have our insecurities, but hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paroma Sharma, and today I think I have a really fun video for you guys.
I gotta get out of the way right off the bat that I am not knocking Kim Kardashian West or her line of products,
because I've actually never purchased or used any of it. So this is not a Skims loungewear or sleepwear review. Now that we've got those things out of the way, let's get to the fun part. I thought it would be fun to try to recreate one of Kim Kardashian West's sleep sets that she just launched on her Skims line, but as cheap as we can get. I was skimming through Instagram because that's what we do. People skim through Instagram.
Instagram? The heck is that?
I saw this picture right here. It's really simple, it's really minimalistic. I like how monochromatic the whole thing is.
But also, why is it so expensive?
But I was like, I really like that. It also doesn't look otherworldly. It looks like something I could genuinely recreate. So I went on over to Walmart to try and purchase a pair of shorts, a tank top, and a sleeping robe. And when I was going to check out, I realized that the total was coming to about 50 bucks for the three things together, which, mind you, is a really good price, okay? However, my buddy George was not serving the purpose that I needed for this video. This video is a challenge on myself to recreate the looks as cheap as possible. So I was like, what's cheaper for clothing than Walmart? If this is not about functionality, if this is not about actually wearing this every single day and going to bed, and it's just about achieving the look,
then I could just go to the thrift store.
and that's literally what I did. I am wearing what I got. So you can see that the blues are a little bit off here. It's not like the picture, but boo-hoo. I was really happy that I decided to thrift this, because when you hear the totals of these outfits, you're gonna be like,
holy camoli, roly-poly, oly.
okay. So first and foremost, let's have a look at the haul. Alrighty, so this is how we did. It was a little bit difficult to find the right colors, as in the right shade, and I really wanted to go for that ash blue. I know hers was very one color, one tone through and through, the shorts, the tank, and the robe that she wears on top. I tried really hard. This is the best I could do, and I think we'll be able to achieve the same look. I was actually able to make a bonus set. This robe I actually had from a friend's wedding that I was a bridesmaid at, and we got all these fancy robes. So this is technically free. Got the shorts, the tank. These are our two Skims sleepwear inspired outfits. And now that you've seen that, let's go ahead
And show you what it looks like on me.
Let me know in the comment section below if you've bought any Skims products and how you're liking it so far. Okay guys, so we have look number one here, which I think stays true to that ash blue color from Kim's photo, which I was using for inspiration. However, I think I did fairly well considering I had to source these pieces from a thrift store where it's really hard to get it shade by shade since no two pieces are actually the same. And then we've got look number two here, which is definitely my favorite look if I had to choose from the both of them. It isn't the same ash blue color, however, it is monochromatic, same shade, relatively same color through the three pieces. And I just think this one, I really like the fit of it, and I think it was a great bang for my buck. Now, let's talk final numbers. Kim Kardashian's full set, the sleepwear set, in the grayish blue, the picture that I used as a reference point, goes for this price right here, okay? This blue set, because I already had the robe from the thrift store, the tank top and the shorts cost me a total of 16 Canadian dollars. I can't even, okay? The gray blue set that I picked up from the thrift store, which was the tank top plus the shorts plus that sleeping robe kind of thing, total cost of that was 20 Canadian dollars. And mind you, for both of these things, I'm rounding up. Someone's saying hi. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I had such a good time making this video and putting it together. And I hope you really liked this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY fun videos of this kind. Until next time.
But just like who does this kind of stuff? Like, why am I wearing makeup with like a pajama set? You know, like, is this so pretentious? But I guess that's just what YouTube is. So, like, oh my God, this is gonna suck. I look nothing like what the magazines say I should look like.
Thank God for the fall of Paris Hilton and the rise of Kim Kardashian West.